If you're looking for a prescription for how to manage your content, we'll share one of the best content management practices to help you maximize the efficiency of your business.
And if you ever feel overwhelmed with what to post, where to post, or when to post, stay tuned. We've got you covered right after this.
If this is your first time to our channel, welcome! I'm Dana and this is my husband David. We're co-founders of AskDavidnDana.com, and we show online marketing solopreneurs how to break through to positive cash flow and liberating profit.
To understand how critical knowing what, where, when, and how to post your content actually are for your business, consider this definition of content marketing from the website of the Content Marketing Institute. Content marketing is a strategic marketing approach focused on creating and distributing valuable, relevant, and consistent content to attract and retain a clearly defined audience, and ultimately to drive profitable customer action.
Didn't you hear that? Managing content is a strategic way to grow your business profitability. Your top priority should be figuring out how to be valuable and relevant to your audience. Once again, it comes back to knowing your audience well. You can follow best content management practices, but if you're not speaking to your audience, it will fall on deaf ears. So if you are finding that your communication is not resulting in sales or requests for more information, it could be your message isn't getting to the right people. Step 3 in your pathway to profit will walk you through the criteria you need to be crystal clear on your ideal client. Remember that reference for later.
Okay, let's start with, what content should I post? The easy answer is this: post content that will serve your audience. To begin, do some research. A simple Google search in your niche to find out what other leaders are posting is a start. You can also subscribe to the email lists of other leaders and see what they're sharing with their audience. That's one of Dana's strategies. Then share the things that you are learning. Remember, you're a step or more ahead of most of the people who are following you. So don't assume that they know everything you know. Sharing what you are learning, what you are having success with, mistakes you've made and learned from. All those things will start to set you apart as an expert in the eyes of your followers. Now, be sure to manage your content by bringing variety to your audience. Examples of posts you can use or ideas to get your creative juices flowing include teaching how to do something, sharing a before and after story, creating curiosity by only telling part of the story, educating your audience about a topic, entertaining to endear your audience to you. You know, laughter really is the best medicine.
Well, next question is, where should I post my content? Well, the easy answer is post where your audience is. It's good practice to build up to the place where you're being visible in many different places. However, when you're first getting started, pick one platform and get really good at it. Here are some of the most common places people are hanging out these days. Social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, Twitter, etc. Email newsletters or follow-up sequence series emails. YouTube videos, blog post articles, text messages, texts, SMS, or other automation work great. Remember, not everyone reads email and not everyone is on social media. So one of the best content management practices we're about to show you is designed to enable you to be in many places at the same time while spending very little time.
Well, the next question to ask is, when should I post my content? The easy answer: consistency is key. Don't post a gazillion times on Mondays and then not again till Thursday. Set up a schedule. You can simply print out a calendar and plan when you're going to post an article, when you're going to put a video up, or social media posts. Create and follow a content schedule to help you manage your content. Now, timing can also be important. If you know your audience, you'll know if they're an early morning crowd, well then serve it up then. If they're working and not looking at their email or social media till midday or after work, make sure you're posting then and being visible. Remember, algorithms may also wreak havoc on your posting schedule, and that's why consistency is important. Your audience will begin to expect a new video from you every Thursday at noon, or an email waiting for them in their inbox when they get home from work on Mondays and Fridays.
Well, now the next question will set you apart. We hope you're getting value from this training. We cover a lot of other topics pertinent to online marketing solopreneurs. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell for notifications for future training. Well, our final question is, how can I manage my content efficiently? Love that word. The easy answer is with one of the best content management practices we've seen and recently began using in our own business. It's going to streamline our content schedule at last. We learned about this through one of our affiliate training platforms, then took a course to learn the system called the Omni Branding Formula. The formula goes into a lot more branding, but the content piece alone will change the way you do business. The idea is you create one piece of great content every week. That's totally realistic, and this one piece will become your core content. Then all of your other content pieces come from that one piece. Picture it like this. First, you write a blog post or an article on a writing platform, or produce a video on YouTube. If you don't have your own blog yet, you could use medium.com and or the article feature on LinkedIn. Other options are Quora, Hub Pages, and Squidoo. And if you want to start your own blog, we suggest you check out Wealthy Affiliate. We'll put a link in the description of this video. Well then, after writing your article, you break it up into pieces like this, using clips or quotes added to pictures for social media, or live videos based on a section of the article. Pictures that are relevant turned into story posts.
Pretty slick. Learning how to manage your content will be an important task to attend to quickly in your business. You can waste so much time trying to figure out what content to post each day if you don't use the guidelines we've outlined here or implement this content management best practice. You can learn more about content marketing and other tips and strategies for moving your business along in our signature coaching experience, Your Pathway to Profit. This crucial skill of content marketing comes at step 10 in our 12-step profit building system. To make sure you haven't left out a single piece of your own, schedule a one-on-one 30-minute exploratory call with us, and we'll be happy to show you where you are on your own pathway to profit.
Well, that's a wrap for this video. Until we meet again, God's blessings to you.